Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to master text masking in Canva for eye-catching designs? Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select the Custom Size option and enter 300 as the width. After setting the dimensions, add a text box to your design by clicking the Text tool. Insert another design element if needed. In the text box, type the word Direct. This text will be used as the announcement in your finished design. Select a font style from the available options. Browse through the list and choose any font that suits your project. Click on the font to apply it immediately. You can preview how each font looks before making your selection. Experiment with different fonts until you find the one you prefer. The selected font updates your text automatically. Select the desired section of your project. Navigate to the Effects panel and search for the Splice effect. Click on Splice to add it to the selected part of your timeline. Adjust any available settings as needed to achieve your preferred transition. Next, return to the Effects panel and enter Image in the search bar. Choose the appropriate image effect from the results and apply it to your selection. Fine-tune the effect properties to match your creative vision and review the changes in playback. To save your changes, locate the Save button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the Save button once you have finished editing your settings or adding information. The system will process your updates and confirm that your changes have been saved successfully. If you need to make additional adjustments, you can do so before clicking Save. Remember, clicking Save ensures that your recent updates are stored and applied to your account or project. Always double-check your entries for accuracy before saving to prevent errors or incomplete information. Click the text box to add your desired text. Once you've entered the text, select it by highlighting. Navigate to the Font drop-down menu above. Click it and choose Anton from the list of available fonts. The text will update automatically to reflect your new font choice. Continue editing or repositioning the text as needed for your project. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select the Share and Download option. Choose to save your design as a PNG file. Make sure to select only page 2 before proceeding. Click Done to confirm your page selection. If you want a transparent background, check the Transparent Background option. Finally, click the Download button to save your file to your computer as a PNG image. Return to your first page in the Design workspace. Locate the downloaded text file on your computer. Click and hold the file, then drag and drop it directly onto your design canvas. This action will import the text into your current project, allowing you to position and format it as needed. Make sure the text is placed exactly where you want it to appear within your layout before proceeding to the next step. Click into the text box to activate it. Begin typing your desired text directly into the space provided. Make sure to check your spelling and formatting. After entering your text, review the content to ensure it's accurate before moving on. Go to the App section and locate Image Blend. Click on Image Blend to open it. In the interface, select the text layer for the top layer by clicking on it. Next, choose your image to use as the bottom layer. Make sure the text is set as the top layer and the image as the bottom layer. This setup allows your text to blend seamlessly over the selected image using the available blend modes and adjustment options in the app. To add an overlay, select the element you want and choose the overlay option from the menu. You'll see the overlay appear on your design. To edit the text color, click on the text box, then click the text color icon in the toolbar. Pick your desired color from the palette. The text will update immediately. Use overlays and custom text colors to enhance your design's visual impact. Click the Edit button to begin making changes to your data. Next, enter the value 10 into the appropriate field. Once you've typed in the new value, select the cell you want to update by clicking on it. After selecting the correct cell, try updating it again to see if the changes take effect. Make sure you confirm your changes if prompted. This process will help ensure your data is accurately modified and saved within the system. Repeat these steps as needed to update additional cells in your worksheet. Select the image you want to remove by clicking on it. Press the Delete key or right-click and choose Delete to remove the selected image from your workspace. Now, locate the image you want to move behind other elements. Click on this image to select it. Then, right-click to open the context menu and choose the option labeled Send to Back. This action will move your selected image behind all other objects on the page. Make sure that your layout looks correct, with the background image in position. Continue editing as needed for your project. Click the Share button to access download options. Here, you can save your image as a high-quality PNG file, ideal for sharing digitally or inserting into documents. Alternatively, select the Download as PDF option if you want a file format optimized for printing. The PDF format helps preserve image quality and layout, ensuring your design looks exactly as intended. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Then click Download to save the file to your device. Now you know how to do text masking in Canva. Give it a try! If this helped, like and subscribe for more Canva tips.